Welcome to Hopscotch Preschool. Hello, my little learners. Do you love fruits? Let's meet some fruity friends and learn which tree or plant they grow on. Let's go. First one is mango tree, the king of fruits. Big green leaves and juicy golden fruits. Mango is sweet and sticky. Mango tree. Apple tree, crunchy delight. Red apples grow in hilly places. One bite and crunch, so yummy. Apple tree. Banana tree, the bunchy one. Bananas grow in bunches on short, fat plants. Monkeys love them too. Banana tree. Orange tree, the juicy round. Round, shiny, full of vitamin C. Let's squeeze and sip, slurp. Orange tree. Grapevine, the climber friend. Tiny purple or green grapes grow on a vine. They hang in bunches, sweet and shiny. Grapevine. Watermelon plant, the summer cool. Grows on the ground, not a tree. Big, green, red inside, juicy and sweet. Watermelon plant. Pineapple plant, the spiky sweet. A short, spiky plant gives us a golden fruit. Sweet like honey, smells so yummy. Pineapple plant. Coconut tree, the tall one. Tall and strong, swaying by the beach. Inside, cool coconut water to drink. Coconut tree. Strawberry plant, the tiny heart. Little red hearts with tiny seeds outside. Grows close to the ground, cute and sweet. Strawberry plant. Cherry tree, the pretty twins. Small red fruits that come in pairs. They are glossy, juicy and full of fun. Cherry tree. Papaya tree, the yellow belly fruit. Tall plant with big leaves and yellow fruits. Papayas are soft and good for your tummy. Papaya tree. Peach tree, the soft fuzzy one. Pinkish orange and soft to touch. So sweet, it melts in your mouth. Peach tree. Pear tree, the green bell fruit. Pear looks like a little green bell, crunchy and fresh, just like apple. Pear tree. Kiwi plant, the furry little wonder. Brown outside, green inside. Wow. Grows on a vine, not a tall tree. Kiwi plant. Muskmelon plant, the summer buddy. Round, light, brown fruit with orange inside. Cool and sweet, a summer treat. Muskmelon plant. Lemon tree, the sour power. Tiny yellow fruits full of tangy juice. Great for lemonade, squeeze Mix and sip. Lemon tree. Guava tree. The crunchy pink secret. Green outside, pink or white inside. Surprise! It smells so fresh and keeps us healthy. Guava tree. Custard apple tree. The sugar friend. Green, bumpy fruit with white sweet pulp. Soft inside like cream, yummy dream. Custard apple tree. Pomegranate tree. The ruby fruit. Red outside, full of tiny red jewels inside. Crunchy, juicy, healthy delight. Plum tree. The sweet purple treat. Soft, round, purple fruits, juicy and tangy. Full of vitamins and super tasty. We met fruity friends today. Each one grows on its own tree or plant. Nature's sweet gift to us. So next time you eat a fruit, smile and say, "Thank you, tree." Mango, apple, banana bright. Oranges shining in the light. Grapes, berries, coconut tall. Fruit trees, we love them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hopscotch Preschool. Take care. Bye.